students, after downloading Proteus software, and this one is patch file, extract the patch file. You can extract here, then it will ask password. Enter plc4me.com. plc4me.com. After entering the password, click on OK. Then the patch file extracted like this. While installing this Proteus software, this license is important. Okay, now double click on this Proteus software and double click on this setup file. Click on yes. Click on next and select I accept the terms of this agreement. Next, choose use locally installed license key. Next, click next and choose typical. Wait for some time. It will take some time to install the software. Click on close and close this. Now let us select the Proteus professional icon on desktop, and by right clicking choose properties and select security on this. Let us check whether those are selected or not. So we are going to give permission, allow permission to all these options. Click on edit and we are going to give allow permissions. Click on OK. Then go to C drive and double click on this program files and again double click on this lab center electronics. Now by selecting this Proteus 8 professional, right click on that and click on properties and again select security. Again we are going to give allow permissions. Okay, now the library files are copied to C drive. Again, all restricted applications by clicking edit and by selecting again that we are going to give allow permissions. like that. We're going to give allow permissions all these options. Click on OK and close this. Now again right click on this Proteus Professional icon on desktop, click on properties and click on compatibility and choose this run this program as an administrator. Okay. Now double click on this Proteus 8 Professional, click on yes. So now here licensing error. So click on this license manager and click on this browse for key file and go to desktop and add that license and close. On completion of that, close this. Now we are going to patch that library file. To patch that library file, here right click on this Proteus 8.8 SP1 and click on run as administrator and click on yes. Now double click on that and click on yes. So now that license is successfully added to this software. Click on new project. Defaultly that project name is new project dot. This one is format DPS PRJ. Okay, click on next. Click on yes. Click on next and click on this create a PCB layout from the selected template. Click on next, 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 finish. Now click on this schematic capture. On this click on this pick device. So P for pick device, L for libraries. So pick devices. Click on this. So here there is no Arduino libraries. So in order to add Arduino libraries, minimize this, cancel this and minimize the entire Proteus 8 professional software. Now go to C drive. So in this program data we are going to add that library files. So whatever the library files we have downloaded, those library files are added to this library folder. So let us add that. By selecting all the library files on the library folder, let us copy that and go to C drive and double click on program data, double click on Lab Center Electronics and double click on this Proteus 8 Professional, and on this library we are going to add the library files. After completion of that, now once again we are going to Proteus software and let us check. Now Again we go to C drive. Click on program files. Double click on Lab Center Electronics and right click on Proteus 8 Professional and select the properties. Click on security. Now let us check whether all permissions are selected or not. And we are going to give allow permissions. Next, let us check remaining also whether the allow permissions are selected or not. Click on OK. Once close. Again by right clicking on this icon, click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Let us open the previous project. By clicking on these pick devices, now we are going to observe the Arduino. So let us write down that Arduino or click on this Arduino. By click on this Arduino, we are going to get Arduino Uno. Let us select that Arduino Uno board onto the editor. Now by right clicking and by selecting place and click on the component, by click on from libraries, we are going to select LED. Okay. And from this list, let us take any color LED. I would like to take a blue color LED. And after selecting this blue color LED, click on OK and place that LED onto the editor and connect that LED to default output pin, that is 13th pin. Why? Because on original Arduino Uno board, the LED defaultly connected to 13th pin of Arduino board. You know that 0 to 13 are the display pins. Okay, and let us take ground from the terminal option of component. So let us add that. After completion of the connection of LED, let us right click on this Arduino board and click on edit source code. So on this edit source code, we are going to observe the Arduino and Arduino Uno and click on OK. Now let us write down simple Arduino code to blink the LED. So every Arduino code is having two parts. One is wired setup, another one is wired loop. Wired setup is used to declare the port pins, which port pins or which pins are used as a input port pins and which pins are used as a output. Okay, so here we are going to write Arduino code for LED blinking. So for that purpose, I would like to write pin mode of LED, comma, it is output type. So we should define that LED. So already default pin of LED an Arduino is 13th pin. So let us define that LED with the help of int LED, which is equal to 13. Every statement in Arduino code terminated with semicolon. Now I would like to add the statements in while loop. Whatever the statements I'm going to add in while loop, those statements are executed continuously. Okay. Digital write of LED. We are going to write for on LED. Okay. So in order to on the LED, we are going to write this statement: digital write LED comma high, and we are going to add some delay. How much time it will on? So we are going to give the delay 1 second in terms of milliseconds. That is 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 millisecond. Now we are going to write for off. That is digital write of LED comma low, and let us add the delay again, half time delay also 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds. Now let us click on debug and click on run simulation. Let us here, after wire setup, we have the error. Now let us check. Let us put semicolon for this. Again click on debug and click on run simulation. Okay, compiled successfully. Now LED blink. Okay, thank you.